Pork. It's a staple on dinner plates around the world, from juicy chops to sizzling bacon. But is it good for you? Stick around to find out at the end of this video. Many people wonder about the health effects of eating pork regularly. Some worry about its fat content and cholesterol. Others appreciate its versatility and flavor. Let's dive into the facts about pork and see how it stacks up as part of a healthy diet. We'll explore its nutritional value, address common concerns, and offer tips for enjoying pork responsibly. Get ready to make informed choices about this popular protein. One of the biggest concerns about pork is its fat content. Many people worry that consuming pork will lead to unhealthy levels of fat in their diet. It's true that some cuts of pork, like bacon and ribs, are high in saturated fat. These cuts are often enjoyed for their rich flavor, but they should be eaten in moderation. But here's the good news. Lean cuts of pork, like tenderloin and loin chops, are actually quite lean. These cuts provide a healthier option for those who want to enjoy pork without the extra fat. They rival chicken breast in terms of fat content, making them a great alternative for those looking to reduce fat intake. And what about cholesterol? This is another common concern. Dietary cholesterol found in foods like pork has less of an impact on blood cholesterol levels than we once thought. Recent studies have shown that the cholesterol in our food doesn't necessarily translate to higher cholesterol in our blood. It's saturated and trans fats that are the main culprits in raising bad cholesterol. These fats are more likely to increase the risk of heart disease and other health issues. Choosing lean pork and preparing it in healthy ways can help you enjoy its flavor without overdoing the unhealthy fats. By grilling, baking, or broiling lean cuts, you can create delicious and nutritious meals that fit into a balanced diet. Pork isn't just a tasty protein source. It's also packed with important nutrients. It's an excellent source of high-quality protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues. Pork is also rich in B vitamins, particularly thiamine, niacin, and vitamin B12. These vitamins play a crucial role in energy metabolism, nerve function, and red blood cell production. Additionally, pork provides valuable minerals like zinc, selenium, and phosphorus. Zinc supports immune function and wound healing, while selenium acts as an antioxidant. Phosphorus is crucial for strong bones and teeth. Including pork in your diet can contribute to your overall nutrient intake and support various bodily functions. Pork in the meat lineup. A healthy contender. How does pork compare to other popular meats? Let's dive into the details and see how it stacks up against the competition. When it comes to lean cuts, pork holds its own. Lean pork cuts, such as pork loin and tenderloin, are comparable to chicken breast in terms of fat content. It's lower in calories and fat than beef and lamb. This makes it an excellent choice for those looking to maintain a healthy diet without sacrificing taste. While chicken breast might be slightly leaner, pork offers a richer flavor that many people prefer. The versatility of pork allows it to be used in a variety of dishes, from savory roasts to flavorful stir-fries. Pork is also a good source of iron, which is essential for oxygen transport in the blood. This makes it a valuable addition to any diet, especially for those who may be at risk of iron deficiency. It contains heme iron, a type of iron that is more easily absorbed by the body than the non-heme iron found in plant-based foods. This means that consuming pork can help improve your overall iron levels more effectively. If you're looking for a nutrient-rich meat option, lean pork is a strong contender. Its combination of low-fat, rich flavor, and essential nutrients makes it a great choice for a balanced and healthy diet. Lean pork. A recipe for good health? Eating lean pork in moderation can be part of a healthy diet. The protein in pork helps you feel full and satisfied, which can aid in weight management. Choosing lean cuts and trimming visible fat can further reduce the calorie and fat content. Moreover, the vitamins and minerals in pork contribute to overall well-being. B vitamins support energy levels and cognitive function, while zinc and selenium boost immunity. Incorporating pork into a balanced diet, along with plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, can provide a wide range of nutrients for optimal health. Savoring pork sensibly. Tips for healthy enjoyment. Enjoying pork as part of a healthy diet is all about making smart choices. Opt for lean cuts, like tenderloin, loin chops, and sirloin roast. Trim away visible fat before cooking, and be mindful of portion sizes. A serving of protein is about the size of a deck of cards. When it comes to cooking methods, grilling, baking, roasting, and stir-frying are healthier options than frying. These methods help to render out fat and create delicious flavors without adding extra calories. Get creative with herbs, spices, and marinades to add flavor without relying on heavy sauces or breading. Finding your porky balance. A balanced approach to a delicious dilemma. So, is eating pork every day a good idea? This is a question many people ask when trying to balance their diet. Like most things in nutrition, the answer is, it depends. It depends on your overall dietary habits, health goals, and personal preferences. While pork offers valuable nutrients such as protein, vitamins, and minerals, and can be part of a healthy diet, moderation is key. Overconsumption of any single food can lead to imbalances. Vary your protein sources by including other meats like beef, chicken, and turkey, as well as poultry, fish, beans, lentils, and tofu in your weekly rotation. This not only ensures a range of nutrients, but also keeps your meals interesting and flavorful. Ultimately, the key to a healthy diet is balance and variety. Enjoy pork in moderation. Choose lean cuts like tenderloin or loin chops. Prepare it in healthy ways such as grilling, baking, or broiling, and combine it with plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These foods provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber that complement the nutrients found in pork. By following these tips, you can savor the flavor and reap the nutritional benefits of pork while maintaining a balanced and nutritious diet. Remember, a varied diet is a happy diet, and balance is the key to enjoying all your favorite foods in a healthy way. Please subscribe to our channel and hit that notification button. Thanks.